Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Tuesday. It's Thanksgiving week. It's paint week, which we're right in the middle of. You guys saw the video, I think, for yesterday where we did a lot of parts. Right now, Big Ron's in the booth spraying the inside of the hood and the outside of the front fenders. It's actually putting the second coat on those. It's about, sorry for the shaky camera, it's about 145, give or take, I think. Nope, 152 in the afternoon. Got a little bit of a late start. I had to go to the doctor. Some things had to go that way, but we're painting. So here's what we got. There's Big Ron in there, spraying some black. Had a little issue with the paint booth, wanted to blow away there for a minute, but he's doing a good job on all that. It's looking really good. So what we have is a pile of painted parts that are done, okay? This is our painted pile. So, now mind you, it's sitting out here, it's dusty and shit, but it'll wipe off. The dust is not in the paint. So splash pan, core support bars, battery tray, hood bracket, hood latch bracket, light bar brackets, the sides to the core support, inner fenders, the little parts that go up front where everything kind of hooks to. All that's done. So we're getting there. What's left at this point is what he's doing right now, and then we need to flip the hood over, do the top side of the hood, and then we need to pull the doors off, do both sides of the doors, and we need to pull the trunk lid off and do both sides of the trunk lid. Now I know that seems like a whole lot of stuff, and it is, but I've got the doors wiped down and ready to go. All we got to do is take 6 bolts out of each door, and we got the door, and set it in the booth, and he can start spraying it. So that's a 10-minute job. If that's a 10-minute job. Deck lid is sanded really well and blocked on the outside. The inside, I have not sanded it. I'm going to scuff it up with a Scotch-Brite pad and wipe it off, and we're going to shoot it. So, yeah. So with any luck, this might get painted tomorrow. That's our hope. The bottom. And we should have everything else painted and ready to go. So now we did get more tape. We got more mixing cups. We got more paint, hardener, sandpaper, 800 and 400. So we've got more than enough paint and everything here to do it. And Nick at Auto Body Express shook that paint for us for about 20 minutes. So we're looking good there. So really now it's just a matter of getting parts in the booth, getting them sprayed, and kind of going from there. So it's going down pretty slick. So this will be the last coat on the fenders, and then they'll be ready to come out of the booth, and then we'll roll on. So that's where we're at, guys. I'll keep you updated. I'll keep posting videos. I'll walk you in and show you these in about 20 minutes once they've tacked up and everything. And yeah, as we bring parts in the booth, I'll be bringing it to you. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, all right, so we've got the deck lid taken off. We've got both doors off. So the doors are ready to paint. We don't have to do anything to them but shoot them. Already wiped them down. They're out here. I got one door here, one door there, waiting to go into the booth. Once we get this deck lid ready, then we're gonna pull the front fenders out. Doors will go in, deck lid will go in, and we'll flip the hood over and untape it, paint the top of the hood, And yeah, so here's the deck lid. And then tomorrow, this is what's left to paint. This is it. So it's a lot, but it's, you know, manageable. So we're looking good. And we have another gallon of paint, which is really, really helpful. So we don't have to worry about running out. So anyway, boys and girls, we're rocking over here. We're gonna keep going. I just wanted to show you where we were, and now we're all kind of disassembled over here, but stay tuned. We'll be back in a minute. Hey guys, welcome back. This is the last coat going on the doors. Big Ron laying it on. You can actually almost see it just with the light that we got. So hood, doors, and trunk lid are done as soon as he's done spraying this little bit here. We also have all of these parts in here are done, ready to go, lay down. I'm trying to keep them warm as I can. What's happening is it's about 4:30 and it's probably 75 degrees and we're losing heat, and we want to make sure we don't these parts get dry enough and don't blush on us. But front fenders are done. Here's one, here's the other, and here's the inner fenders. So these I'm gonna drag into the house here in a minute. Once Ron's done, I just want his help. I don't want to take a chance on killing him. But guys, we're looking pretty good here, I think. Ron's doing his thing. So tomorrow is going to be this. Tomorrow's going to be sanding its body. Alright, so this stuff's done. I think it turned out pretty slick. It's just got to dry. Probably hard to see. But that's where we're at. And yeah, so now it's just let this stuff bake. So painting's done for the night. Tomorrow we'll be scuffing up some areas on this car, fine-tuning the body, and then painting the body. So that's going to be the goal for tomorrow, which should be feasible considering everything else we've done. So hopefully here tomorrow we'll have another video for you with a painted 57, and then we'll have Thanksgiving off, and then Friday, Saturday, turkey run, which are basically days off for us, which is great. We love that. We're just gonna put some parts in the garage and make it cluttered in here. But thanks for watching. Tomorrow's day 3, paint day 3, the Don's 1957 Chevy BelAir, and yeah, we'll just keep on keeping on until we get her done. So looking like Sunday we'll be probably be assembling, starting to assemble things, you know, get the doors back on it, get the trunk lid on it, get everything kind of fitting, and then we'll start opening up all the boxes that are on our back patio, the bumpers, the glass, all the things, and start putting this thing together. The doors, the deck lid, and the hood are all painted and in here, and I think we look pretty good. But I just wanted to show you guys this. It's kind of exciting because now, you know, you can start assembly, right? I've got the new hood rockets, chrome hood rockets. I've got 2 sets of them actually. That one of them, I'll pick whatever the best one is and put it in here. We can put the door or the trunk lock in at some point. The door handles can go back on, the door locks can go back on, and the latches and all the things. I mean, you can start putting it together, right? Clearly not today, not even the next 3 days, but Sunday, these are the things that'll probably be happening. I think Sunday we'll put the trunk lid on and the 2 doors, just because they're so freaking big, and it just needs to, we have nowhere to put anything else. If I want to bring the thing back in here, I got to get some of this stuff on the car. So the idea is tomorrow, paint the body, get the body ready, get it painted, and then let it sit, and then Sunday, doors, trunk lid, whatever else we can get assembled on it, and you know, start assembly and just keep rolling from there. And But anyway, I just wanted you guys to see this. The lighting's terrible in here, I apologize. It gives it weird glares and makes it look funky, but it actually is really slick. So, just thought you might like it. So anyway guys, I'm going to bed. But we will see you bright-eyed and bushy-tailed in the morning, and we'll get on this body and get it blocked out one more time and paint it. So lots more to come, guys. Stay tuned.